Hello everyone, greetings from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. So I'm recording this video for showing you the functionality of our Odoo WhatsApp integration module in version 14. So I would like to brief you a little about our company before I begin. So as you might have seen from the website, if you have visited, we are Odoo Gold partners and we have been providing Odoo solutions and services and consulting in numerous countries worldwide. We have developed many solutions that are qualified to meet the needs of various clients and their business processes. One of the solutions is Odoo WhatsApp Connector, which helps us to notify customers or partners about the activities related to Odoo processes. So, one of those solutions that I'm going to talk about today is the Odoo WhatsApp Connector version 14. So let me begin. So this is the database and I'm logged in as admin. So the first initial configuration that is very important if you want to use this connector is the configuration in the company settings which you are going to use. So I'll simply go to the companies and the company that I'm using, I'll be logging in, I'll be going there and I'll be adding the country, which is very important, and the phone number. So this phone number is the one which is going to be used to send messages or notify your customers or your employees when you use the Odoo modules for various purposes. So after I've added all the details of the company, I'm going to go to the WhatsApp configuration that is there. So we are going to use an API which helps us to connect the WhatsApp and your Odoo instance. So this is the chat API URL which we are going to use. And once you have bought a subscription for the same, you will be provided a token number and a instance number which you have to put in here. So I'll do the same. I'll just copy my details and the instance number that is there. So once I've done that, I will be using a WhatsApp web to log in so that my WhatsApp and my Odoo instance are connected. Now I will click on get QR code to do the process. So now you can see there is a QR code that is generated which will help me log in through my mobile. I will simply scan it and I will click on reload or get status to see if I have been successfully logged in into the system or not. So yes, we are successfully logged in and we are authenticated. So this is the main configuration that is required. This is the very first step for using the Odoo WhatsApp connector module. So now I'm going to show you the functionality of each of the Odoo modules that we have integrated WhatsApp with. So the first one will be contact. I have created one customer contact. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So according to the details that are provided by the customer, I will be adding the details. And if I have to check whether that number that's provided by the customer is a WhatsApp number or not, I'll simply add the number. I will click on check WhatsApp number button that is there on the right corner, as you can see. And it will check. And if it is a WhatsApp number, this field called is WhatsApp number will be populated. So this is the number where I'll be notifying my customer named Mansi. Okay. So now the next thing is sending a WhatsApp message. This is just a normal message which can be of type text, media, URL link, or a template that I have created already in my database. So if I select one contact, I can select multiple contacts if I have to send the same message. So if I type a message saying, hello, how are you? This will be sent to my customer or my contact on this particular number that is added. So I will show you. So here, as you can see, there is a message saying, hello, how are you? Okay. Now, other thing is checking the WhatsApp log. So by default, it is showing me the failed ones. But if I have to check all of the logs till date, I will be given here by sent by and the customer name and what the message is about. Creating WhatsApp templates to be used in the different Odoo modules is very important, as you have to just select the template and that particular the message that is there in the template will be sent to the customer accordingly. So these are the different types of templates that I have already created. This is for contact. This is for the invoice. Like whenever you are sending an invoice to the customer, that template will be used to notify the customer. You can always create new ones and use accordingly. So this was how the contacts module can be used. I will jump on to another one, that is the sales module. The sales module helps us to notify the customers about the status of their sales order and the delivery status of their products that they have ordered. So if I create one quotation in the name of my customer, and I just check. Okay. And if I add a product that they have ordered, let's say quantity is 10. And the minute I confirm this particular quotation, the customer will be notified that there is a sales order number of 23 and the product is ready for delivery. I will show you the message. So here you can see your order with the sales order number and the receipt that is there below, so that the customer can check, and if the payment has to be done online, it can be done from there itself. So like we are notified from any e-commerce site that we use, this will similarly give an indication to the customer that the order is ready for delivery. So this was the functionality of our sales module. Now I have to tell the customer, like after the delivery is done, I will tell them that yeah, your order has been delivered and we are notifying you. So if I check my delivery orders, I will simply confirm the delivery receipt that is generated, so that I know that this particular delivery for that customer has been done and that the customer gets notified. Okay. So you can see, hello Mansi, your order, that is the sales order number, has been delivered. So starting from creating a quotation to the delivery, the sales and the inventory WhatsApp connector modules work this way. Now, after we have delivered, the main thing is payment. So I will go to the invoicing application. I will create an invoice in the name of the customer that has to pay me. Okay, I will select. Yeah, I will add the product. The same product quantity is 10. Okay. So this particular new invoice has been created. Now I'm going to do the payment. Let's say the customer is doing payment partially. So if I confirm, if I, okay, just, okay, so now I'm going to register the payment. Let's say I am paying only half of it. Let's say I'm paying 5. Now I will create a payment. So accordingly, my customer will be notified of what he or she has paid and the remaining due amount that is there. And they can also get an order receipt from the link that is there below. So I can complete the payment and the customer will be notified. Now, let's say the customer has reverted back to me on that particular number. I will be getting back a message in the partner form of that particular customer. So I have written hello, how are you? So for that I have to run a scheduler. Okay, so I will go to the settings and my schedule actions, and I will run a scheduler for fetching messages that are incoming, so that whatever the customer has replied back to me will be available. So if I run the scheduler, I will then run the scheduler manually. You can set the scheduler, you can set the next execution date, but right now we have not configured it, so I'm running it manually. So if I now check my partner form, I will be seeing all the incoming messages in the chat that is there below. So this particular customer, Mansi, will be showing me all the messages. So here you can see Mansi has written me, hello, how are you? So we have also developed new feature of the incoming messages. As of now, we have done only in the chatter of the partner form. So starting from the sales stock, that is inventory, and the invoicing part, I have described you the functionality of the Odoo modules and the WhatsApp connector. The next module that we have worked on is the point of sale. So let me begin the functionality of that module. So in my POS, I have to check one configuration for WhatsApp messages. So if I go below, if I see there's a WhatsApp configuration tab. So if I want to allow automatically sending invoice via WhatsApp, I can do that. I will select and I will choose the template. So there is a POS order status using WhatsApp template that is being selected. So now if I start my session for the day, and let's say there is an order, so I'll do that. Okay, so now my session is begin. I will select the products that the customer is interested in. I will select that particular customer. Okay, and I will proceed for payment. Let's say cash, and I will validate. So the minute I validate, I will be given a message saying thank you for shopping. Your order number is this with the amount, and a PDF of the receipt will be sent to me. So if I open the receipt, so this is how it will look with the change and the discount and the order number with the date and the day. Okay. Okay, so this was the functionality of the POS module, the POS Odoo WhatsApp connector. The next area of aspect where we have configured the WhatsApp is the HR part, where the leave management and the payroll management can be done easily. So I have created one employee who is going to give a leave request. So let's see how the employee and the manager of that particular employee is notified via WhatsApp. So when the employee logs in and puts a time off or a leave request, the manager will be accordingly notified saying that this particular employee has put a leave request. So now I'm going to do one request for the month, let's say 28th March to 20th, 30th March. So now that I have put a request, the manager will be notified. So let's see what message he or she gets. So this is there. Hello, Mitchell. I have submitted a time off, leave details, and the employee name. Okay. So now, as a manager, if I check the time of requests that have been provided by the employee, I will approve it and let's see how the employee gets notified. All this works provided you have added all the WhatsApp numbers in the database. So I have validated the request. Now let's see how the employee gets notified. So here it is. You can see, hello Mansi, your leaves with following description has been approved. So this was the leave management from the Odoo WhatsApp side. Now I'm going to create a payroll. Using the payroll module, I'm going to create a payslip, which will be sent to the employee as a PDF, as an attachment. So if I create one, the name of Mansi for the contract, if I have added one, the regular pay, I'm going to save. And once I compute sheet, the employee will get a notification and an attachment of that particular payslip. Okay, so let's see the message. So you will see, please find your payslip detail salary slip, Mansi, for February 2021. And there is a PDF, which I will show you. So this is how the salary slip will look like. You can see with the name and the number of hours, days, amount. Okay. So this is how all of the Odoo modules that we have integrated WhatsApp with, integrated WhatsApp with. Okay. So if you have any questions regarding this module or you want to do some customizations in this particular flow that we have developed, you can contact us. You can write us an email at contact@serpentcs.com. Thank you for cooperating and wish you a good day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.